Nothing is more frustrating than taking your Soundcore A30i or Soundcore A30 earbuds out of the case and realizing they won't connect to your phone. Maybe they're not showing up in Bluetooth, maybe only one earbud is working, or the Soundcore app refuses to detect them. Before you assume the earbuds are broken or start thinking about replacing them, hold on. Most of these issues are caused by simple connection or synchronization problems that you can fix at home in just a few minutes. Let me walk you through the most reliable troubleshooting steps to get your Soundcore earbuds working again. First, let's start with the most common issue: the earbuds not pairing or not connecting to Bluetooth. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then take both earbuds out of the charging case and check if they automatically enter pairing mode. If they were previously connected to another device, they might still be trying to reconnect to it. Turn off Bluetooth on nearby phones, tablets, or laptops to prevent automatic reconnection. Now refresh the Bluetooth list on your phone and look for Soundcore A30i or Soundcore A30 in the available devices. Tap it to connect and wait a few seconds for the connection to complete. If the earbuds still don't appear in the Bluetooth list, place both earbuds back into the charging case and close the lid for about 10 seconds. This forces them to reset their connection state. After waiting, open the case again and remove both earbuds at the same time. Many times, this simple step allows them to re-enter pairing mode and appear on your phone. Another problem users often experience is only one earbud working while the other stays silent. This usually happens when one earbud loses synchronization with the other. Start by putting both earbuds back into the charging case and closing the lid for about 10 seconds. Then open the case and remove both earbuds together. They should reconnect to each other automatically and restore stereo audio. If one side still isn't working, check the battery level of both earbuds. If one earbud has a low or empty battery, it won't sync properly with the other. Next, inspect the charging contacts on the earbuds and inside the case. These small metal connectors transfer power from the case to the earbuds. Dirt, earwax, or dust can block the connection and prevent one side from charging. Use a soft cloth or cotton swab to gently clean the metal contacts on both the earbuds and inside the charging case. Once they're clean, place the earbuds back in the case and let them charge for a few minutes before testing again. If the connection issues continue, the next step is to perform a factory reset, which clears pairing errors and restores the earbuds to their default state. Start by placing both earbuds into the charging case and leaving the lid open. Press and hold the touch areas on both earbuds for around 10 seconds until the LED indicators flash. This indicates the reset process has completed. After the reset, remove the earbuds from the case and reconnect them through your phone's Bluetooth settings as if you were pairing them for the first time. Sometimes the earbuds connect to Bluetooth, but the Soundcore app still can't detect them, which prevents firmware updates and advanced settings from working. To fix this, first make sure the earbuds are already connected to your phone through Bluetooth before opening the Soundcore app, since the app needs an active connection to recognize the device. Also check that the Soundcore app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. If the earbuds still don't appear, close and reopen the app to refresh the device list and restart your phone to clear any temporary Bluetooth conflicts that may be blocking detection. By following these steps, you've checked the most common Soundcore A30i and A30 issues like pairing problems, one earbud not working, reset failures, and Soundcore app detection errors. In most cases, one of these fixes restores the connection and gets the earbuds working again. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and share your issue in the comments so others can learn from it.